Hello Sizzers! We continue the series of lessons on app development. Today we'll make a detailed page using the database for our news app. To begin with, we go to Presets, click on the CMS preset, center our CMS, go to the Data menu and apply the collection. It will create a detailed page. Next, we return to the main page, click on CMS, go to Data, and in our case, we will remove one row from the column. We won't need it in this case. Then we click on Connect Table. Let's create a card design. For the cards, we will need text, so we press the T key. Add the text to the second CMS layer, duplicate this text by pressing the Command D key, and then apply the field container property to each text. Let's start designing them. After you have designed the text, you can change the color of the main frame, make a vertical auto layout, change paddings and spacing, and add the main image. Next, we go to Data to change the title of our main column. This will be our title. Let's link the first title to the first text. By the same analogy, we will work with the rest of the text, but first we need to create a separate column for each text, including the detailed page. We begin to enter the text in the subtitle and in the body of the future detailed page. Now let's bind this text to the table columns. After these steps, we need to create another column for our images, which will be linked to the main page and the detailed page. Let's go back to our design to bind the first image column to the main page. We can round them for decoration, and this will be applied to all columns. In order for our cards to become clickable, we need to add an action, so we click on the second frame, go to the Action tab, click on the Move CMS page and click on the Add Action button. Now we will set up the detailed page. For this, we choose the navbar from the presets and design it. Now let's change the title of the navbar. We go to the Data menu, create a new table. It will serve as the name of our articles, after which we give them names. Let's bind the title of the navbar with a column. You can see that our detailed page is already working, we just need to improve it. We add an image, bind the previously created column, in our case it's an image. We see that everything works fine, then we create a frame, remove the fill, apply an auto layout property, create text and paste it into the auto layout, and also we can adjust it. After that, we duplicate the text, add the field container property and begin to bind the previously created tables. Press the key I, upload an image, put it in the auto layout, apply a fill container to it, set up the image inside the auto layout, go to data and link the previously created table column to our image. Our detailed page is ready, everything works great. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.